Hello everyone, and a very good afternoon to all my beautiful class 8 students. Dear student, as we have completed our unit 1 determination, we have done all the chapters under it which was related to determination. संकल्प के बारे में थे सब chapter, and we have almost done all the exercises from that, and I hope you have understood it very well. Dear student, you must be sincere in your work. That will be checked afterwards when the school reopens. Now, I would like to tell one thing, that I have left writing skills from all the chapters. We'll do that writing skills later in our classes because it needs a special explanation and you need to understand it properly so that you may form a good writing skill. So dear student, let that work be aside, and if we have the time before the school reopens, we will be doing it in a series way, turn by turn. So let us now today move to on our next step, that is unit 2. In unit 2 it is about family, परिवार. आप लोग सभी को मालूम ही है परिवार के बारे में. It is about family, and all the chapters that we are going to read under it will be related to family. Now let us move. These are all the things that we will be going to read today. Now dear student, let us move line by line. Dear student, first of all, family. What is family? I'll just like to tell the definition. A family is a group of people living together under the same roof, sharing their joys and sorrows, love and affection, maintaining peace and harmony. This is the definition of family. Now, dear student, family, it plays the vital role in the development of the community, society, states, and the country. Now, an individual from a family can make the country proud. So, it has a greater role in to make the country proud. It has the major part. So, we must not ignore to make our family better and the best. Now, dear student, now let us go through our book. If it is visible, you can see it there. Do you live in a family? Have you got any brothers or sisters? Or are you an only child? Have you got cousins, uncles and aunt? There is a question for you all. Do you live in a family? Yes, why not? Every person in the world, they live in the family. Not only the person, the animals, big or small, even the microorganism, animals, they lives in the family. So we need a family in every angle of our life. We need their support. So we cannot live without family. Have you got any brothers or sisters, or you only are you only an only child? Have you got cousins, uncles and aunt? It focuses about the small, big or large family. हम लोग ने बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहा है टाइप्स ऑफ फैमिली, स्मॉल, बिग एंड लार्ज. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट टाइम, हम लोग उस टाइम पढ़े थे स्मॉल, बिग एंड लार्ज. अभी हम लोगों का थोड़ा एडवांस हो गए, थोड़ा स्टैंडर्ड हो गए, हम लोग थोड़ा ऊपर क्लास में आ गए हैं, तो हम लोग उसी फैमिली को हम लोग इस तरीके से पढ़ेंगे. So let me read out the different types of family. Now, let us read about some different types of families. Read its descriptions and write the name of the family in the given space. Here is given a short exercises for you so that you may understand what type of family अथवा how many members are there in different families you can know from here. Now बॉक्स में दिया गया है सिंगल पेरेंट फैमिली, फोस्टर फैमिली, अडॉप्टेड फैमिली, न्यूक्लियर फैमिली, एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली, ब्लेंडेड फैमिली. दिस आर ऑल द फैमिली. सिंगल पेरेंट फैमिली का मतलब होता है सिंगल, जहाँ पे आपका मम्मी या पापा एक होना और आप होना और आपका भाई बहन होना, सिंगल पेरेंट फैमिली. और दूसरा होता है फोस्टर फैमिली. फोस्टर का मतलब होता है फोस्टर अडॉप्टेड. दिस आर लिटिल बिट सिमिलर. अडॉप्टेड का मतलब होता है आप लीगली अडॉप्ट करके उस बच्चे को पालना, उसको अडॉप्टेड फैमिली कहता है. फोस्टर फैमिली ये होता है कि गवर्नमेंट किसी संस्था खोल के सदन कहते हैं हम लोग, उस पर ऑर्फन बच्चे को रखना और वहाँ पे पालना, वो भी एक फैमिली है, फोस्टर फैमिली. न्यूक्लियर फैमिली. न्यूक्लियर फैमिली यू कैन सी दियर, वहाँ पे आप होना, पापा होना, योर पेरेंट्स, पापा एंड मम्मा दोनों होना, आप होना, इसको हम लोग क्या कहेंगे, न्यूक्लियर फैमिली कहते हैं. आपका यंगर ब्रदर और यंगर सिस्टर भी हो सकते हैं उसमें. नाउ एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली तो आप लोगों को मालूम ही है, वेरी लार्ज फैमिली भी कह सकते हैं, जॉइंट फैमिली भी कह सकते हैं, जहाँ पे ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंडमदर, अंकल, आंट, उसका भाई बहन सब होना. ब्लेंडेड फैमिली. यहाँ पे ब्लेंडेड फैमिली का मतलब होता है कोई गुजरना, पापा या मम्मी एक गुजरना और दूसरा शादी कर लेना, और आपको दूसरा पेरेंट्स का बच्चा बच्चे अथवा चिल्ड्रन के साथ मिल के बैठना, उसको ब्लेंडेड फैमिली कहते हैं. नाउ लेट अस मूव टूवर्ड्स आवर व्हाट इज़ देयर एक्चुअली, व्हाट इज़ देयर इन डिफरेंट lines so that we may put the correct families in them. Number one is Martha, her parents and younger brother have recently moved to a new community. All Martha's grandparents and aunts and uncles live in another community. यहाँ पे मार्था है, उसका पेरेंट्स है और उसका यंगर ब्रदर है, और वो लोग न्यू कम्युनिटी में चला गया. ऑल द मार्थास ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स एंड आंट्स एंड अंकल लिव इन अनदर कम्युनिटी. उसका ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, उसका अंकल आंटी नहीं बैठता है, उसके उन लोगों के साथ में नहीं रहता है. सो इट इज़ अ न्यूक्लियर फैमिली. नंबर टू, जॉर्ज मदर divorced his dad when George was very young. He barely remembers him since he moved to another community shortly after the divorce. The house is pretty quiet with just George and his mother living there. अब यहाँ पे सिर्फ जॉर्ज है और मम्मी है, तो ये क्या हो गया, सिंगल पेरेंट फैमिली. नाउ नंबर थ्री, जोजो's mother died several years ago and his dad recently remarried. Jojo now has to share his room with his new step brother. Now it is called a blended family. Number four, Ada and William have only one child living with them right now, but there have been times when they have had 3 or 4 children staying with them. The Department of Social Service places children in Ada's and William's home on a temporary basis until the children can be adopted or other permanent arrangements made. Now यहाँ पे एक सदन अथवा कोई भी एक इंस्टीट्यूट में जब गवर्नमेंट बच्चे को रखता है टेम्पोररीली, परमानेंट नहीं, टेम्पोररी तरीके से रखता है, उसके बाद उस बच्चे को एक पार्टिकुलर पेरेंट्स के हाथ में जिम्मा देता है. सो इट इज़, वी कैन से इट इज़ अ फोस्टर फैमिली. Now number 5, Bella is used to a full and busy household. She has three sisters and her grandfather lives with them along with an adopted brother. When Bella's mom walks, one of her aunts comes to babysit. Her other grandparents live next door and spend a lot of time visiting at Bella's. Now this family is about extended family. So moreover I have told all the answers. You may copy it in your notebook, dear student, and learn about the family and the members living inside the family. Now dear student, we have learned something about family. So family plays a very important role for improving the community, society. So we must not ignore the different developing work that comes in our way, so that we may make our country proud. So dear student, we must make our family better and the best among all the families of the world. So dear student, we'll stop here. We will continue it. We will continue the other part of the, that means we will continue now. We will start the new chapter, that is poem, that is chapter 5, the next day. Till then, have a nice time, have a great hour to spend. Bye, and thank you for listening.